In this lecture you will see how transmission line can be used as a circuit elements. They can be used as a inductor and a capacitor, but as a circuit element transmission line can be used at higher frequencies, in between 300 megahertz to 3 gigahertz, because at such frequencies wavelength will be small, so the physical length of the transmission line that will be required, it will be very less. And at normal frequencies, transmission lines are generally used for transmitting power and information from one point to another, but at higher frequency we can use as a circuit element also. How we can use as a circuit element, like inductor or capacitor, we will see. Assume line to be lossless, so in that case alpha will be equal to 0, so complex propagation constant P we can write J beta, where beta is the phase constant. Characteristic impedance, because it is a complex quantity, we write R naught plus Jx naught, but if alpha is 0, in that case X naught that will be 0, so we get real values of characteristic impedance for a transmission line, and R and G will be 0 for such a line. So input impedance for a transmission line we write like this, in terms of 10 hyperbolic PL, like this. Now for lossless case, P is equal to J beta we write, so here we put P is equal to J beta, so in that case 10 hyperbolic J beta L you will get here, and also J beta L you will get here, so 10 hyperbolic J beta L we can write J 10 beta L, because sin H J beta L is J sin beta L, and cos hyperbolic J beta L that is equal to cos J beta L. So we divide this, so 10 hyperbolic J beta L that is equal to, you will get J 10 beta L. So you write here input impedance of transmission line, that is equal to Zs is equal to Z naught Zr plus J Z naught 10 beta L upon Z naught plus J Zr 10 beta L. Now you see how this transmission line can be used as an inductor and capacitor. Now suppose load is shorted, if Zr is equal to 0, under short circuit condition load impedance is 0, so in that case we put here input impedance case, that input impedance in this is the formula for input impedance, we put here Zr is equal to 0, you put here, so this term will be 0, so you get input impedance for a transmission line under short circuit condition, that will be equal to J R naught 10 beta L. So here we get purely reactive values, we are not getting here real term, so this value will be either inductive or capacitive. If this value is positive, then you will get J R naught, that will be positive, so in that case it will behave as inductor, and if this is negative, this will behave as a capacitor, because in case of inductor we will get here this J XL J omega L, and for capacitor we will get this as 1 upon J omega C, that is minus value. See, if XC is positive, then you will get negative, so if this whole expression we are getting negative, that will act as a capacitor, and if we are getting this as a positive, then it will act as an inductor. So here beta L is the electrical length of transmission line, so this value, this will be either positive or negative, it will depend upon the value of beta L. So I am plotting here input impedance versus beta L. So beta L varies from 0 to 2 pi, so suppose beta L varies from 0 to pi by 2, so in that case because at beta L 0, so this will be 0, so you will get Z in 0. Now pi by 2, so this sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is that is 0, so you will get infinite value at pi by 2 10 beta. So if beta L is in between 0 to pi by 2, you will get variation of Z in from 0 to infinite, so you see that you will get this positive value for beta L in between 0 to pi by 2. So under this case, short circuit condition, you will have Z in, that is positive value, so it will act as an inductor, it will act as an inductor. Now if beta L value is in between pi by 2 and pi, then in that case 10 beta will be negative, 10 beta L will be negative, this 10 beta L will be negative, so that's why this value will get negative, so in that case it will act as a capacitor, it will act as a capacitor under short circuit condition, you will see. So that transmission line under short circuit condition will behave as an inductor or capacitor, it depends upon the beta value, it depends upon the beta L value, that is the electrical length of transmission line. Now you see, for open circuited case, what will be the input impedance if load is open? In that case we put here ZR is infinite, In that case, this term and this term will be 0, so you will get input impedance under open circuit condition Z as OC, that is minus J R naught per beta L. If this value is positive, so this value is positive for beta L value varies from 0 to pi by 2. So in that case you will get this negative term. So under open circuit condition, for if beta L varies from 0 to pi by 2, this transmission line behave as a capacitor, because here this value you will get negative value. And in between, if this value is in between pi by 2 and pi, in that case this will be negative. So in that case negative value will be positive, so you will get here positive value of input impedance. So you can say that it will behave as inductor. So depending upon the beta L, this impedance, input impedance under open circuit condition, it will be either have positive values or negative values. If it gives positive value, then it behaves as an inductor, and it gives negative value, then it behaves as a capacitor. So depending upon the value of beta L under open circuit and short circuit condition. So we have to use it under short circuit or open circuit condition, and we have to select proper value of beta L if we want transmission line to be used as a inductor or capacitor. It depending upon the value of beta L. And beta is 2 pi by lambda, L is the length of transmission line. So we have to select length such that we get either inductor or capacitor case for short circuited line or open circuited line. So in the next class we will see how this property, that how transmission line, if it can be used as inductor and capacitor, can be used for impedance matching devices, for making impedance matching devices to minimize loss in a transmission line.